Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign up in your Coinzoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Coinzoom app. So once you tap it open, you need to hit that sign up button and then type in your email address. Once you type in your email address, you need to hit that next button and then create a password for your account. So once the password has been created, you need to press the next button again and confirm the password by retyping it. After you do so, you need to check your mail for your verification link, and once you get it, you need to tap on verify email address, hit the next button. Now you can also select your country code by scrolling down the drop down menu bar and type in your mobile phone number for extra verification. Once you verify your phone, you can get signed up into your Coinzoom account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.